What's going on YouTube? And this video we are checking out the Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 navigation. We're using Google Maps, and as you can see I have it up here on the car mount. And what I did notice is I should have recorded it when I first mounted it up there and turned on the navigation. I had a it was a no signal, no GPS signal pop-up that was on my
turn left onto York Road,
my display. So I'm not pretty sure what that was about. Maybe I was in the garage, but for some other reasons none of my other phones, you can see there, it still thinks I'm going straight.
In a quarter mile,
so
turn right onto
so I'm not sure what's going on with the GPS in here, but if anyone else has a Samsung Galaxy Z Flip4 and they're experiencing like this navigation, I don't know what's the deal with it. I mean, it's on the dash. Let's see when I turn and see if it picks up that I turned. It's kind of wonky in my opinion. So I'm turning and it still hasn't even detected that I turned yet. Now it says searching for GPS. So I'm not sure what's going on with this with the Z Flip4. I'm not sure what's going on. I hope no one else is having the same issue, but it looks like it's not picking up the GPS signal. So that could be a big problem. That could be a big problem, especially if you're using your phone to navigate like I am right now. I don't know what made me test this today, but I woke up and I said, well, I'm going to the pet store, I'm going to Petco.
GPS signal lost.
See? So I'm going to Petco, and I said, well, it's a good time to maybe try my GPS because I haven't tried it. I normally try them on all my phones. I just don't really do videos on it unless I find anything. And as you can see here, it says searching for GPS. I'm in my car, it's on the windshield, well, it's on the dash. It should have a real good signal, and no GPS, still searching. And mind you, this location is like maybe 5 minutes away from my house, 6 minutes, as you can see there. And it's still searching for GPS. This could be a deal breaker for me right here, because I don't always have if I decide to go full throttle with the Z Flip4, the GPS is a big concern. It's a big issue. So it's still searching for GPS. I'm gonna give it a little bit longer to see what the deal is. But I'm very disappointed with this. I would surely appreciate if someone else that has the Z Flip4 can basically upload a video and showing me that it's having the same issue as I'm having. I mean, I'm like a couple miles out now and it's still searching for GPS. The phone mount that it's on is plastic, so the signal should go right through like with no problem. All of my other phones that I use on the same car mount.
In half a mile, turn left onto Smith Road, Visconsi Way.
So now it picked up the signal. Wow, that took like maybe 6 minutes, 3 minutes. And so far it's holding out. Let me keep this on. And I want to see if the signal is going to lock in and stay there. Maybe it was a fluke. I'm not sure, but we'll see when I make this turn up here. It looks like it's sort of tracking it like it's supposed to now. But let's see when I make this turn here at the light. See if it's going to track like it's supposed to. So it's 2 minutes away. About to make the turn on Smith Road, and I'm turning. And no, it is still behind. It did not take the turn as it is supposed to take the turn. Let's see if it'll take it now.
onto Smith Road, Visconsi Way.
Wow, it is very bad.
In a quarter mile, turn right.
Very bad. This is very bad. This is horrible. Yeah, Z Flip4 GPS. This is the Z Flip4. I'll show you right there. Very disappointed in the GPS in the phone. I'm not sure what's going on with it, but yeah, man, sad. Very sad. There it goes again. Searching for GPS. Well, it's gonna be it for the video, man. I'm definitely gonna turn this off. Turn the turn the Google Maps off and end the video here. Drop a comment down below. Let me know what do you guys think about this issue. Deal breaker. I think it's a definite deal breaker for me. Look at that. Wow, crazy. Now it's real.
Take the next right onto Pearl Road, then turn right.
It says take the right. So now it kind of caught up, but it's still bad. I'm about to make the turn now. Let's see if it'll catch us with the turn. I've never had a phone do this. I don't care how bad the weather is. I've never had a phone do this. And yeah, pretty disappointed.
Turn right, then your destination will be on the right.
We out.